Hi, so today I want to show you the new features of AutoCAD Electrical 2024. And there are basically two new features and some bug fixes. So let's have a look at the wire type synchronization, meaning that when you change the wire type of some signal, if there's a source arrow on that signal, it will also apply those changes to the destination arrows. So let's dig into this one here. So I have some 10 gauge wires here. I want to change them to a red one. So I will just do right click as usual. Say I want to convert them, and I want to convert them to the red wire like this. And I can also say I want to assign to this, and this of course goes out to the drawing down here. So when I do this now, it will ask, check for destination mismatches. Yes, please. And again, we have a skip all here. Why don't we have OK all? So I will need now to press OK, update, OK, update, OK, update for all source arrows. That might be several going out of different pages as well. But if I now continue on to the destination arrow for this one, surfer, doesn't want to work today. Let's see, destination here. You can see we have now changed to the red wire all over the place, like expected, really. So I go to surfer, I go to the destination here again, and you can see it's red also here all the way. One of the things I don't like about this is that if you now want to change the color here, that's the actual graphical color. So it's red at the moment. If I want kind of different red, I will need to just, of course, edit the wire types. I will go to my red wire. I will change my color to a different kind of red, like this. And maybe even a different line type, just because. So you can see now on this page, it has now changed. But it will, of course, not change on the other pages. Even though if I go and convert it back to black again, and I will do all wires, and it's OK, update, OK, update, OK, update, and then go back to red again. So again, I will change back to the red. And I want to do these. Also, I want these to be the same wire types. I need to manually select these. But, and OK, 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 and update. If we now go to the other page again, you can see that the color and the line type is still the same here. And also, again, I need to convert these manually also over, even though it should be the same all the way here, but I really wouldn't blame AutoCAD Electric for this, but it would be nice if AutoCAD Electrical knew what the potential was, so you could change the entire potential here. So if I also want to change here, I will need to change here. Change this one and these three, and we're good here. But if I now want the color and the line types also to change, I will need to synchronize this throughout my project. So I will need to go to the project-wide utilities, say that I want to import from a specified drawing. I have changed it in this drawing, so I can just go in here and say that I only want to update this layer here in the other drawings, and of course update any color and line type differences. So I will do OK, OK, and we will do the entire project. And yeah, well, then we'll just have to wait until it's finished updating these layers on all my drawings in this project. So now we're back again here, and it should now have been applied to the other pages as well. You can see now different color, different line type all over my project. So I just want to quickly show you how this is done in ePlan and how it's been done in ePlan for years and years. So ePlan knows what the potential is. So the potential will be the same through the terminals, through this distribution terminals, through here, and I've decided to stop the potential here. So when I set properties for these potential definitions, I can say that this one then is a red wire. I can, of course, select what graphics to use, or color to use like this. So now it's red through the potentials. I've stopped it here actually. Yeah. Through here, and of course through these pages here and all the way down here. And you can see again, if I want the dashed line here as well, just change the properties here, say I want the dashed line, OK, and then I have a dashed line throughout this potential.